Hi, Jeff from Camera Jabber, and I am out today in the woods in the rain. Why, might you ask? Well, it's because I have the new Sirui TSH01KX mini tripod, which I want to test. Now, why would I want to test this right now out in the rain? Because it has a built-in stabilizer for your phone, and I want to see whether it can produce stable footage. So let's give it a go. I am out in the woods today, walking up and down the hills, avoiding mud pits, to try to see whether it can produce stable video footage and eliminate the shaky footage I normally get in such environments when I'm out trying to film my kids or my dog or something like that. So let's talk a little bit about the tripod. It's more than just a mini tripod, as we've said. It's got the built-in stabilizer, but it also has a built-in Bluetooth remote that you can use to fire the trigger, fire your shutter on your phone from afar. And interestingly, that remote, which you can see right here, it's got a little cradle which is integrated into the base of the tripod just above the legs, which sits right in there, and you take it out and you press the button and you can shoot from wherever. It's also got a ball head mount on the top and a 1/4-inch screw thread on which the stabilizer sits. Now, the stabilizer, it's one-axis stabilization. Basically what it does is it holds your phone horizontal, so however I move, the phone is always a flat plane like this, which is very handy. As you can see, it's not quite perfect, but it is a whole lot better than when I'm out here trying to shoot handheld, following a dog or following a child up and down the hills. I'm just catching up with my colleague Allie here. We're out strolling through the rain, and we would like you to leave your opinion in the comments on how stable you think this footage is. Now, don't comment on the audio. We're not testing the audio. We're not testing colors or anything like that. But YouTube being YouTube, we know you will share opinions on everything from our audio to our sense of dress. So we accept it. Feel free. Right now, we are just going to see how stable we can get this footage. I have to say, first impressions, I'm pretty impressed. So, in use, the tripod is very simple to use. You can charge the stabilizer via a micro USB cord that comes with the setup, which retails for about £68. What else do you need to know? The Bluetooth remote trigger comes with a battery, so you don't need to purchase that yourself. And setting up is all fairly simple. All you have to do is simply ensure the stabilizer is turned off, put your phone into the cradle, and adjust it so that until it's balanced, turn it on, and then everything works. Fairly simple, very easy. We're going downhill now. Still pretty steady. Swap hands. And there you go.